Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Voiceover work is a form of acting or narration where a performer provides their voice to bring life to characters, stories, or messages in various media formats. These media can include animated films and TV shows, commercials, video games, audiobooks, documentaries, and more. The voiceover artist uses their vocal talents to convey emotions, personalities, and tones without the visual aid of their physical appearance. They must master the art of using their voice alone to engage and captivate the audience. Voiceover work requires versatility, a strong command of vocal techniques, and the ability to interpret scripts effectively. The process often involves working in a recording studio, where the artist follows direction from directors or producers to deliver the desired performance. A successful voiceover artist can adapt their voice to suit different roles and genres, making them an essential part of the storytelling process across various forms of media. The industry offers opportunities for both established actors and newcomers with distinct voices, making it a rewarding field for those passionate about bringing characters and narratives to life through the power of voice. Making money online from doing voiceovers can be a rewarding endeavor if you have the right skills, dedication, and marketing strategy. Here are some steps to get started. Develop your voiceover skills. Take the time to hone your voiceover abilities. Practice reading scripts, working on different tones, emotions, and character voices. Consider taking voice acting classes or workshops to improve your craft and receive constructive feedback. Create a professional demo reel. Your demo reel is like your voiceover portfolio. It should showcase your best work and highlight your range as a voice actor. Make sure it's well produced and represents the different styles and genres you can perform. Set up a home recording studio. Invest in a good quality microphone, headphones, and audio recording software to create professional-grade voice recordings. A quiet, soundproof space is essential to eliminate background noise. Join online voiceover platforms. There are several online platforms where clients and voice actors connect, such as Voices.com, Voice123, and Fiverr. Create a profile on these platforms, upload your demo reel, and actively pitch for relevant voiceover jobs. Offer competitive pricing. In the beginning, you may need to offer your services at competitive rates to build your portfolio and gain clients. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Market yourself. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and reach potential clients. Create a website to showcase your portfolio, share testimonials, and offer information about your services. Network with industry professionals. Connect with producers, directors, and content creators in the entertainment industry. Attend voiceover conferences, webinars, and virtual events to expand your network. Explore various voiceover niches. Voiceover work spans across various industries and genres, such as animation, commercials, audiobooks, e-learning, and more. Consider diversifying your portfolio to increase your chances of landing different types of projects. Deliver high-quality work on time. Reputation and reliability are crucial in the voiceover industry. Always deliver your work on time and ensure it meets or exceeds the client's expectations. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful career in voiceovers takes time and perseverance. Be patient with yourself and keep pushing forward even if you face initial challenges. Remember, the key to success in the voiceover industry is to continuously improve your skills, market yourself effectively, and deliver outstanding performances that leave a lasting impression on your clients. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.